My classes are 390 second-year students in a huge lecture hall. I teach a course called Principles of Behavior and Behavior Change. I tell the students I understand the irony of trying to teach communication, standing up on a stage to 390 people in a one-way conversation. We were able to look at the data of when students accessed the course material. 90% of their access of the materials was within 24 hours of the exam. They were trying to learn it all at once, and it just wasn't working. When we moved to Slido, we gave quizzes in each lecture. It was worth 28% of their grade, which encouraged them to come to class and learn as they went along. Not only were students a lot happier with how they were doing in class, their performance was better, they liked the class more, and overall, the average student performed an entire letter grade higher than they did before we started using Slido. What we do is sprinkle Slido questions throughout the lecture that the students never know when they're going to be coming. If you're teaching 390 people, there are times where you think, oh, they must know this by now, and you give a quiz question and you find out that a lot of students are not fully understanding that concept. And so it gives you feedback as an instructor about whether you need to firm up a particular concept with students or whether it's time to move on. Slido is a pretty easy to understand interface, and so even without any training, we were able to just jump in and design the Slido integration into our course the way we wanted it to be. Slido quizzes are my favorite feature because it does everything for me. It structures the presentation of a short quiz question, provides feedback to the students, and scores it so that their performance is easy for me to incorporate into our grade book.